Kitchen gamblers, this chicken will blow your mind.
Kitchen gamblers, I wasn't planning to cook today, but this chicken had other plans. Just look at that. Yes, that's not food, that's a personality. Let's go and grab some ingredients. First things first, grab 400 grams of chicken breast and slice into bite-sized pieces. Let's marinate. Add half teaspoon chicken powder, half teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon white pepper. Add 1 tablespoon chili flakes, half teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons oil, mix and let it marinate for 1 hour. Don't ask questions, just trust. Now let's make the sauce. In a bowl, add 4 tablespoon mayonnaise, half tablespoon chili garlic ketchup, 2 tablespoon sriracha sauce, half teaspoon paprika powder, half teaspoon red chili powder. Just add a dash of soy sauce. Now mix. This sauce doesn't fix relationships, but it fixes bad mood instantly.
1 hour later.
Now back to the chicken. Add 3 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds. Add water slowly. We want crispy coating, not pancake batter. If it sticks like this, congratulations, you're doing amazing. Let's fry. Throw that chicken into medium hot oil. Listen, that sound? That's happiness. Don't crowd the pan. Crispy chicken needs personal space. Now take them out and let them rest for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, let's season our fries. You can use any seasoning. I'm using peri peri seasoning and that's it. Serve hot. Golden, crunchy, spicy perfection. Dip it, bite it and tell me that wasn't worth it. If you enjoyed this, you know what to do. Hit like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.